Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, if you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment and share my video. If you want to become a channel member, hit that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there will be a link in the description box to my PayPal account. Today, we are going to be making spaghetti and meatballs with our homemade sauce that we made on Monday. So come on, let's get started. Okay, in our bowl, I have 1 medium onion chopped up. And to this, I'm going to add 1 pound of ground beef, and a pound of sausage, then I'm going to add about a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder, and about a teaspoon and a half to a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Some Worcestershire sauce, probably about a teaspoon. Some pepper. This is salt and pepper to taste. Some breadcrumbs, about a half a cup to a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm using the Italian breadcrumbs. And then 2 eggs. And now, with the things that God gave us, I'm going to get in here and just mix all this together. And I'm sorry this video is coming out a day late. But I sit here. The landlord came yesterday morning. And he said, I'll be back. He said to fix the outlet. I said, okay. I said, you coming back today? Yeah, I'll be back today. So I waited and I waited and I waited. I went and got his rent and all that. And when I got done, I let him know I was home and that I had his money, and he says, okay, I'll be there in a little bit. So I wait and I wait and I wait. And guess what? He never showed up. So then at 8 o'clock this morning, he sends me a text and he says, okay, I'm on my way to your house. I said, okay, come on. I said, I'm up. I've been up. So he shows up and he's standing in my living room and he's just standing there talking. And while he's talking, I'm thinking, you know, you could be fixing the outlet while you're here, while you're standing here just shooting the crap. So then the neighbor comes over and knocks on the door and hands him a rent. And he turns around and he looks at me. And all at once, it dawns on him that he forgot the outlet to fix the outlet. He just came to get the rent. I said, this man, to only be in his 40s, is the most forgetful man I ever seen. Okay. Our meat's mixed together. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to heat my skillet up. And while I'm heating that up, I'm just going to roll my meatballs. Now you can make your meatballs any size you want. I like mine a little bigger for my spaghetti. And then once these meatballs get cooked, we'll put them in our pan with our sauce. And we're going to let that cook. Let the meatballs cook in the sauce for about an hour. And then it'll be time to eat, because while that's cooking, while the meatballs are cooking in the sauce to absorb the flavor of the sauce, we'll be cooking our spaghetti, and then it'll be time to eat. I hope if you all are in the path of this winter storm, if it's already hit your area or if you're expecting it like we are, I hope you all are safe and prepared, because I know where I live in southern Ohio, they are talking that we are supposed to get 10 plus inches of snow and 3/4 to an inch of ice starting tomorrow early evening throughout all day Monday. So by the time it's said and done, we are supposed to have 10 inches of snow and about an inch of ice. So, and I'm not looking forward to none of that. But at least Thursday, the electric company was out here and they were working on the power lines right outside the apartment because we got a big transformer on this one pole. So they were out there working on it. So I'm hoping that was precautions for the storm. And then once the storm comes, then our temperatures will only be highs in the low 20s and lows in the single digits. So I'm going ahead and rolling up the rest of these that won't fit in my pan right now. And then I'll cook them when this batch gets done. Let y'all see these cooking. And I'll bring you guys back when these are ready to go in the sauce. Okay, guys. Now we're going to add our meatballs into our sauce. The rest of these meatballs, I'm just going to put in a container and let them cool off. And then I will put them in a bag and put them in the freezer. So the next time I want meatball subs or spaghetti and meatballs, I have them. Scrape off all my onion bits. And now I'm going to put the last 4 meatballs in the pan and finish cooking them. And I will bring you guys back when it all comes together. Because remember, we're going to cook these for about an hour in the sauce. So I will bring you back when it's time to eat. Okay, guys, it's time to eat. Our pasta's done. Our sauce with our meatballs is done. And there you have it. That's what's for dinner, spaghetti and meatballs. Homemade meatballs, homemade sauce. Don't get much better than that. We'll try one of the meatballs first. Very hot. If you want, you can serve this with garlic bread and Parmesan cheese. However you want to serve it, with a side salad. Oh. Mm-hmm. And once again, my house smells like an Italian restaurant. When I made the sauce, someone commented and they said, if I didn't know better, I would think you were Italian. I said, no, I'm Irish, but I had an Italian friend that taught me a lot, so that's why I eat a lot of Italian. Mm-hmm. Magnificent dinner, if I say so myself. So, I want to thank you all for watching. If you're in the path of this winter storm, please be safe. And be careful. As always, the recipe for the meatballs will be in the description box below. Would you like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share the video. If you want to become a channel member, hit the join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to my PayPal account and also a link to my Amazon wish list. And as always, don't let anybody steal your sunshine or your smile. Bye-bye.